Hey, I wanted to talk to you about unit trusts. And unit trusts are the best vehicle when you've got two separate families coming together, not related, and going into business. And most of them are at 50%, 50-50 in that unit trust. It is the best structure to come together when you've got two separate families wanting to grow a small business. Very similar to a discretionary trust, a unit trust, this Living Pets unit trust, it needs a trustee company. So the trustee company, Living Pets Proprietary Limited, has the power to run that trust, gives it legal liability and protects the directors and the family from their personal assets. Very important that you have a corporate or a company trustee that's got the power to run this unit trust. Now, a unit trust is a fixed trust, meaning that if it's making profit for the year, 50% of that profit is fixed going to one family and 50% is fixed going to the second family. And what we do is we issue units, which are fixed ordinary units, 50% of them out of the unit trust and give them to the Smith family trust. And for example, we might have this unit trust with 100 units. So 50 units goes to the Smith family trust, and likewise the Chan family trust here also has 50%, and so the Living Pets unit trust has 100 units. 50 to Smith family trust, 50 to Chan family trust. And that business trades for both families during the year. It can pay wages, it can do all the things required to run that business. Then at the end of the year, if we've got a $200,000 profit sitting in this unit trust, 50%, $100,000 comes down to Smith Family Trust and $100,000 comes down to Chan Family Trust. And that unit trust structure for two families gives it enormous flexibility. So when the money comes down here to Smith Family Trust, the Smith family decide on how their tax is going to work. So it gives a separation of the tax. Same with the Chan family trust. With a unit trust, they can deal with their profit the way their family runs. It gives enormous tax flexibility, a unit trust. It doesn't trap income tax up here in a corporate structure, and so it is fantastic for a growing small business, one that needs cash, two that needs flexibility, and three, and this is always the kicker with trusts, unit trusts are much better than companies for capital gains tax purposes, because remember, you want an exit strategy one day. This is a unit trust. Family trusts coming together in the best structure for a growing small business when you've got two families coming together. There you go, one trading unit trust. Ciao.